Hey guys, welcome back. It's Tanner with Serial One, and today I'm going to show you how to charge your e-bike using a method that applies to every single Serial One bike sold worldwide. So first I'm going to show you how to charge the battery while it's still in the bike, and secondly I'm going to show you how to remove the battery, charge it outside the bike, and then reinstall it back into your bike so you can keep riding. Alright, let's check it out. To start, you're going to need these tools: your bike keys, your battery charger, and your charger to battery adapter. Here's how to charge the battery while it is still in the bike. Here's how to charge the battery out of the bike. Here's a pro tip. At any time, you can check your battery level by pressing the lightning bolt on the battery itself. As you can see, I have 3 bars right now. 1 is the lowest, which means I have to charge it. 4 means I have a full charge. That's all I have for this video today, guys, but I hope you had fun learning how to charge up your battery. Now you'll always have a full charge for your next adventure. Make sure to check out our other videos on serial1.com if you have more questions, and I'll see you guys all next time.